Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car upholstery cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Clean Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Known for its professional-grade formula, this cleaner is ideal for car enthusiasts who want an affordable yet effective way to restore their car interiors. It dissolves dirt, odors, and stains with powerful foaming bubbles, making it perfect for automotive carpets, upholstery, and floor mats. The patented odor elimination enzymes ensure that foul smells are neutralized at the source, leaving a fresh citrus scent. Its detergent-free formula finishes soft, preventing the stiff, crusty feel that lower-grade cleaners often leave behind. In terms of design, the Chemical Guys cleaner comes in a convenient spray bottle, making application a breeze. While it doesn't include a machine or tools, the foaming formula is versatile enough to be used with hot water extractors or microfiber cloths. The lack of additional hardware means it's lightweight and easy to store, but it may not be as effective as deep cleaning machines for embedded dirt. This product is ideal for those who prefer manual cleaning and want a budget-friendly option for maintenance rather than heavy-duty stain removal. However, its lack of suction power and tank system may limit its effectiveness for tougher messes. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and a fresh scent, while cons are its reliance on manual effort and lack of included accessories. At number 4, we have the All SCC301 Upholstery and Carpet Cleaner, which stands out as the budget option in this lineup. Despite its lower price point, All offers solid performance for cleaning car interiors, area rugs, and pet-related messes. It features powerful suction with a 64-inch water lift motor, making it capable of tackling both wet and dry messes. The 0.4-gallon clean water tank and 0.25-gallon dirty water tank allow for extended cleaning sessions with fewer refills, while the included accessories, such as the hose cleaning tool and tough stain tool, provide versatility for different cleaning situations. Design-wise, this cleaner is lightweight and portable, making it great for on-the-go cleanups. Its 21-foot cleaning reach, which combines the hose and power cord, ensures you can easily handle messes without constantly repositioning the machine. While compact and easy to store, the smaller tank sizes may require more frequent refills compared to premium models. The bright orange and black design is visually appealing, but doesn't have the polished finish of some higher-end competitors. The All SCC301 is best suited for users who need a straightforward, affordable cleaner for light-duty tasks. On the downside, it lacks advanced features like self-cleaning tools or allergen removal capabilities. Pros include its lightweight design, affordability, and decent suction power, while cons are its smaller tank capacity and somewhat limited versatility for tough stains. At number 3 is the Hoover CleanSlate Plus Portable Carpet and Upholstery Spot Cleaner Machine. This model is all about versatility, featuring tools for every mess, including a 7-inch wide path tool for large areas and a tight spot tool for crevices and hard-to-reach spots. The dual tank technology keeps clean and dirty water separate, allowing you to clean farther without contamination. With its powerful suction, the CleanSlate Plus handles everything from mud and wine spills to pet messes with ease. It even comes with a hose rinse tool for easy maintenance after each use. The design of the CleanSlate Plus is sleek and practical. At 12.87 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but its ergonomic build and 14 inches by 10.5 inches by 13 inches dimensions make it manageable. The inclusion of a trial-size Oxy cleaning solution ensures you can start cleaning right out of the box. Build quality is solid, and the machine feels durable enough to withstand frequent use. The dual tank system is a standout feature, as it means fewer trips to refill and empty tanks during cleaning sessions. This cleaner is perfect for pet owners or anyone dealing with consistent messes. However, its heavier weight and slightly bulky design might not appeal to those seeking absolute portability. Pros include powerful suction, versatile tools, and easy maintenance, while cons are its weight and a higher price point compared to budget options. Coming in at number 2 is the Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, Green 1400B. This machine is a fan favorite, especially for pet owners, as every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation to help save homeless pets. It features powerful suction for removing tough spots and stains from car interiors, upholstery, and even carpets. The 48 ounces tank capacity ensures you can clean more between refills, while the included spot and stain formula with Febreze freshness tackles odors effectively. Design-wise, the Little Green Cleaner is compact and easy to store, with a build that prioritizes portability. At 9.65 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but its ergonomic handle and manageable size make it easy to carry around. The included Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool is a standout feature, ensuring the machine remains in top condition after each use. The 3-inch Tough Stain tool is great for detailed cleaning, and the overall build quality feels durable. Ideal for pet owners and those dealing with frequent stains, this cleaner offers excellent value for its price. However, its corded design and lack of advanced allergen removal features might be drawbacks for some users. Pros include its pet-friendly purchase mission, powerful suction, and self-cleaning tool, while cons are limited portability due to the corded design. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Deep Cleaner, Green 4075. This premium model is perfect for tackling spills, pet stains, and embedded dirt, while also removing allergens like dust and pollen. Every purchase contributes to the Bissell Pet Foundation, adding a feel-good element to your cleaning routine. With a 4-inch Tough Stain tool that features a removable lens and a Hydro Rinse self-cleaning hose tool, this machine offers both power and convenience. It also comes with an 8-ounce Bissell Little Green formula, which instantly removes stains and eliminates odors. This cleaner is designed with portability in mind, weighing just 7 pounds and featuring a compact size for easy storage in cabinets or closets. The 16-ounce capacity allows for efficient cleaning without frequent refills, making it perfect for small to medium-sized messes. The tea green color adds a stylish touch to its functionality, and the overall build quality is robust and reliable. The included accessories enhance its versatility, making it suitable for car interiors, pet beds, and household upholstery. The Bissell Little Green Mini is a great choice for users who want a premium, high-performing cleaner with added value for pet owners. While it's slightly more expensive than other options, its features justify the price. Pros include powerful cleaning, compact design, and pet-friendly mission, while cons are its smaller tank size compared to larger models and relatively higher cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.